Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Are you frustrated because YouTube keeps crashing on your TCL Roku TV? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many TCL Roku TV users face this issue, but today I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix it quickly and get back to streaming smoothly. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share an extra tip that solves this problem for most people. Step 1. Restart your TCL Roku TV. The first thing you should do is restart your TV. Sometimes, temporary glitches cause apps like YouTube to crash. Grab your remote, press the home button, scroll down to Settings, select System, then System Restart. Finally, choose Restart. Once your TV powers back on, open YouTube again. In most cases, this simple restart can fix the crashing problem. Step 2. Clear cache by reinstalling the YouTube app. If restarting didn't help, the YouTube app may have a corrupted cache. The best way to fix this is by reinstalling it. On the home screen, highlight the YouTube app, press the star button on your remote. Choose Remove Channel. Then, restart your TCL Roku TV again. Go to the Roku channel store and reinstall YouTube. This process clears the old cache and gives you a fresh installation of the app. Step 3. Update your Roku system. Outdated software is another common cause of app crashes. Here's how to check for updates. Go to Settings. Select System. Click on System Update, and then check Now. If there's an available update, install it. Updating ensures your Roku TV and apps run with the latest bug fixes. Step 4. Check internet connection. YouTube also crashes when your internet connection is unstable or too slow. Go to Settings, Network, check connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong. If needed, restart your router or switch to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. A strong connection can prevent the app from freezing or closing unexpectedly. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the steps work, you may need to reset your TCL Roku TV to factory settings. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset and follow the instructions. Keep in mind, this will erase all your apps and settings, so use it only as a last resort. And that's it. These steps usually fix the YouTube crashing issue on TCL Roku TVs. If your YouTube app is still crashing after trying all solutions, it might be a hardware issue and you'll need professional help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others who are facing the same issue. See you in the next video.